All right, we're gonna remove this whole fairlead to get to these bolts. Already did the other side. That's what it looks like. Some people still have this center trim piece going in. Some folks have an extended one. You're gonna need to apply light pressure right here while releasing these clips. A simple thin blade will do it. Once you do that, this whole piece comes off. We're trying to get to these bolts here and here. Same thing on the other side. These will be an 18 millimeter. Use a breaker bar, torque them back down to 76 foot-pounds. Remove the center trim piece. They make a special tool for this, but I don't have it. All right, got it all removed. Got the line on free spool. Don't forget to disconnect this before you try and pull it all out. It's a 7/16 by 14 threads per inch. It'll be a 5/8 on the head of the bolt, 11/16 on the acorn nut, and torque it back down to 35 foot-pounds.